Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Learn with Hadiya. Today we're going to make an Eid card, and for this you'll need paper, a pencil and something to color with. If you don't know how to draw, just copy whatever I do and let's get started. So first let's bend the paper into half. Once you've folded your paper into half like this, open it up. It should look like this inside when you're done. Then you close it again. If it looks right inside it, like this, you can close it and press it like that. Then take a pencil or a pen, then draw who you're going to give it to. I'm giving it to my friend. She has a flower headband on her head. Her dress is grey. She has short hair. Then you write the name of the person on top of the card, like this. First you draw an arrow to that person, and then you write their name at the top. My friend's name is Zainab. Then you open it up, and then you write what you want to write inside it. I'm going to write, "Thank you for playing with me every day." Then, on the other side, you put away your pen or pencil and you get your colours. First, you need peach for the skin colour. Then you do the eyes with black. And then you do the eyelashes with brown. Then you do the eyebrows with the colour hair the person has. Then you do the nose. Then you do the mouth. Then you do the hair. I do the flower headband on my friend's head first. My friend's hair is black. And it's a little bit long, but not too long. The hair's mostly short. Then you do the dress or the shirt. I'm using pink to do my shirt. Next, take another favourite colour that your friend would like, or your mum or dad. Then use that colour to make a dress or a shirt or pants. Then you take a different colour and do the shoes. My shoes are going to be hot pink. Then you do the arms. And then you get a different colour and do some hearts. I'm choosing red to do the hearts around it. Don't do the hearts too big because at the end we're adding stickers. This is how it turned out. This is how it looked from the inside. I write it Eid Mubarak and then I drawed a picture of her. If you like it, subscribe. Thank you for watching.